Welcome to Greenworld Excel School, the India Toy Fair 2021 introducing the shapes and its explanation. First of all, what is shape? Shape is nothing, it is a form of an object. In this shape can be divided into two types. One is plane shape, another one is solid shape. So let us see what are all the things we called as plane shape. Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These four things we called as plane shape. And then solid shape, cube, cuboid, cone and then cylinder. These four things we called as solid shapes. So let us see first one, square shape. Square shape means nothing. It has four sides and then four vertices. So in the square all sides are equal. So these two line segments meet at same point. These two lines can be meet at same point means that is called vertex. So what is the real time example of the square means dice. And the next one is rectangle. Rectangle has four sides and then four vertices. Opposite sides are equal. See here, this opposite sides are equal and then this opposite sides are equal. So here length is same and then breadth is same. So what is the real time example of the rectangle means book, monitor, blackboard. So these are all the example of rectangle. And the next one is triangle. Triangle, it has three sides and then three vertices. What is the real time example of this triangle means that is chips and then piece of pizza. This is the example for triangle. And the next one is circle. Circle has no vertices and then no edges. So it can be mentioned the center point of the circle is O. In that circle we can define with the radius, diameter and then chord. First see center. Center point can be mentioned at O. And the next one is radius. Radius means nothing. The center point and any point at the circle. Here this is the center point. You have to mention any point at the circle. So in between this distance we called as the radius. And the next one is diameter. A chord of a circle which pass through the center, that is called diameter. Okay, what is chord? Chord means two points on a circle joined with one line. For example, here there is one point and here there is one point. These 2 points can be joined with one line. That line is called chord. So these four are the plane shapes. And then let us see the next one. Next one is solid shapes. Solid shapes, first one is cube. Okay, what is cube? Cube has 4 faces, 4 vertices and then 12 edges. Okay, what is the example of this cube means ice cube. Ice cube is the best example of this. So this is the example. And then another one example is gift box. So these two are the example of cube. And the next one is cuboid. Cuboid has 6 faces and then 8 vertices and then 12 edges. So this is called as the cuboid. What is the example of this means cupboard, pencil box and then book. So these are all the real time example of the cuboid. And the next one is cone. A cone has 2 faces. Here there is 2 faces. One is flat and then another one is curved. And then one edge and then one vertex. This is called cone. What is the example, real time example of this cone means ice cream cone and then birthday cap. So these are all the example of the cone. And the next one is cylinder. Cylinder has totally 3 faces, 2 flat and then 1 curved. Here 2 edges of the cylinder and then there is no vertex in this cylinder. What is the real time example of this means water tank. So this is the best example of cylinder. So this is the These are all the things we called as the solid shapes. Thank you.